Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Cambridge IGCSE new syllabus paper 2 specimen paper for examination 2025. So there is a big change this time. This paper is going to be of 2 hours and in this paper you cannot use calculator. So this is without calculator. Previously all IGCSE papers were like using the calculator, but now there is one paper that you can't use calculator, right? So here are the instructions and the total marks for this paper is 100. So you can have a screenshot and then you can go through. And another good news for you guys here, you will be having all these formulas here, list of formula. It will be provided on first page. Area of the triangle, area of circle, circumference, curved surface area, and you can go through. You see all these formulas are here that you can use. Even you have sine formula here and you have cosine and the area of the triangle. So let's start. The first question that I can see here is work out 0.01 square. So 0.01 times 0.01. So there is 1 here. 1 times 1 will be 1. So decimal places are 2 here and 2 here. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4. So to add this we are going to add zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 0.001. Okay. Now this 57.3997 correct to 4 significant figures. 4 significant figure, 2 here and 2 here. So we will see the right hand digit. This is 9 and we are going to add this. So this becomes 5.40. Remember to write 0 there. So that's how it will be 4 significant figures. Now number 3, Amy changes 250 euros into dollars. The exchange rate of 1 euro. 1 euro is $1.10. Calculate the number of dollars Amy receives for 250 euros. So 250 euros we are going to write down here how many dollars. So cross multiply. So you are going to get x times 1, that is x. So this is 250 times 1.1. Now remember you don't have calculator. So you are going to do the calculation. So it will be 25 times 11. Just do it without decimal, then we will put decimals later. This is 275 and then this 0 we are going to put and then 1 decimal place. So 275 is the final answer. Okay. Now number 4, you can see a triangle BDC is a straight line. This is a straight line. AB is equal to AC. We are given this angle ABD is 61 and angle ADC is 81. Work out angle DAC. DAC is this angle, right? So now if this triangle is isosceles, so this and this side are equal. So this angle is 61. This angle is also going to be 61. So now we have this triangle. Now we will take in triangle ADC. Let's say this angle, let me just write angle DAC plus 81 plus 61 is equal to 180. Okay, so then angle DAC is equal to 142 at these, so 180. So angle DAC is equal to 180 minus 142, so which is 38. So this angle is 38 degrees. Okay. Now next question number 5, we have here convert 0.717 meter square to centimeter square. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, right? So 1 meter square means 1 meter times 1 meter. So this will also be 100 centimeter times 100 centimeter. So 1 meter square is going to be multiplied by 100 twice, right? So this is 17. I'm just going to write because there is no other number, is just 1. So 17 times 1 times 1 it will remain 17. Then there are 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros here, but 2 decimal places. So we'll start from right hand side, 2 decimal places, decimal is here. So final answer is 1700 centimeter squares, right? Now the next question, we have the mass of the solid cuboid is 4 kilograms, the volume of the cuboid is 600, and calculate the density of metal, giving your answer in gram centimeter cube. So 4 kilograms, we are going to multiply it by 1000 because 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So we will have here, this is the mass is going to be 4000 kilograms. So density, we are going to calculate, density is mass over volume, right? And mass is now 4000 divided by volume is 600. Okay, now just simplify. 2 zeros are gone, 2 times 2, so we have 20 over 3. So when you divide 20 by 3, 3 times 6 is 18, so 2 is the remainder, denominator remains as denominator here 3, and remainder goes up here 6, 2 over 3 is the final answer. 6 2 over 3, or you can even write in decimals, so that is equals to 6.66, we can say 6.67 gram per centimeter cube, right? Now next question, we have u is 3 minus 2 and 12 negative 12 and v. We have u minus 2v. U is 3 minus 2 and minus 2 as it is, then we have v is negative 12 and 5. Now just multiply, this is 3 and minus 2, and this is going to be I'll put positive sign here, negative 2 times you are going to multiply there, it's 24, and this will become negative 10. Now we are just going to add 24 plus 3 is 27, and then this is negative 12. So 27 and negative 12. Okay. Now find magnitude of v. Magnitude of v, we will take v here, it is negative 12 squared plus 5 squared. This is 144 plus 25, and when you add it is 169, and square root of this is 13. So final answer is 13, right? Now let's move to the next question. We have a semicircle here. Diagram shows a semicircle with diameter 9 centimeters. Calculate the total perimeter of this circle. Give your answer in exact form. Exact form means whatever you get, you are just going to write down as it is, no calculations. So you know that the perimeter of the circle is the circumference. So circumference will be this and then plus this. So total perimeter is going to be half of this, that is pi d over 2 plus then this diameter, which is 9. Okay, so we will write it down as it is. This will be 9 over 2 plus 9, right? So this is 4.5, so it is 4.5 pi plus 9. So we can just write down here as it is. Okay, now number 9 is from the sequence. So before we start this question, I would request you guys to subscribe to the channel if you are getting any benefit from my videos, and I will wait for your comments in the comment section, any suggestion for the improvement. So thank you so much guys for your support. So let's start this one. We have term 1, term 2, 3 and 4. Find term 3. So if you see, we have here 17, 12, 7 and 2. So what is happening here? It is decreased by by 5, right? So if we subtract 5, so the next term, the question is next term. Next term is going to be like we are just going to minus 5. So 2 minus 5, that is negative 3. So final answer is negative 3. So now we are looking for nth term. For the nth term, we have the formula a plus n minus 1 into d. A is the first term, which is 17, plus nth term minus 1, and the difference is negative 5. So this is 17. When you open the bracket, this is negative 5n plus 5. So 17 plus 5, it's 22 minus 5n. So 22 minus 5n is the nth term. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Work out Work out 2 over 3 plus 3 1 over 2. Give your answer as a mixed number and in its simplest form. So we have, you have to break this up. 3 times 2 6 plus 2 8 over 3 plus 3 times 2 6 plus 1 7 over 2. Now the denominator LCM is 6 here. So to make this 6, we are going to multiply here by 2 and here by 3. So 8 times 2 16 and 21. So this is 37 over 6. So 37 divided by 6, 6 times 6 36, and we have one remainder here. So remember, denominator remains in denominator, remainder goes up here and divisor is here. So see, 6 times 6 36 plus 1 37. So 6 1 over 6. Right, we have written answer in a mixed number. Now find the value of 64 power 2 over 3. Now you know that 4 power 3 is 64, right? We can replace 64 by 4 power 3. This is 2 over 3. 3 and 3 is gone. 4 power 2 is 4 times 4, it is 16. Okay. Now number 12. Work out giving your answer in standard form. So they all are in multiplication, right? 7.1 times, I'm just taking the numbers first, times 2 10 power minus 15 plus 3, right? So 7 times 2, it will be 2. 14.2 times 10 raised to power 15 minus 3, it's negative 12. But we need answer in standard form. For standard form here, this number is supposed to be between 1 and 9. So 1.42 times 10 raised to power negative 2, as we have shifted decimal to left hand side, so this is going to be plus 1, so which is 1.42 times 10 raised to power minus 11. Okay. Now this is plus here, 5.2. If you see 5.2, we can take out 5.2 common from here, right? So inside we will have 10 power 7 plus 10 power 6. Okay. Now another thing you can do here, 5.2 we can write it down as 10 power 6 times 10 power 1 to break this 7 into 6 and 1 plus 10 power 6. So 5.2, now 10 power 6 is common, so then we will have 10 plus 1 11, right? So now 5.2 times 11 times 10 power 6. So 5.2 times 5.2 just 52 we can do. 52 times 11, 572, right? So this is this will be 57.2 times 10 raised to power 6, but again we need answer in standard form. So this is going to be 5.72 10 raised to power, we are going to add 1 power here, 7. So 5.72 10 raised to power 7 is the final answer. Now number 13, find the number of the sides of a regular polygon with interior angle of 162. So now the interior angle is 62. Now we know that the formula of sum of interior angles is n minus 2 times 180. So sum of interior angles, and there are how many angles? Let's say there are n angles, so that is going to be 162 times n, that is 162n. So then you open this bracket, so 360, let it be this side, minus 162n. This is 18n over 360. Now divide by 18, divide by 18. This is gone, 18 times 2. So n is 20. Okay. Now number 14, the range, mode, median and mean of 5 positive integers are equal to 10. Find the possible set of 5 integers. Now we are given that range is 10, mode is also 10, median is also 10 and mean is also 10, right? Everything is 10. So find the possible numbers. So 5 numbers, there may be different answers, you may have different answer. So I will start whatever I can try to be the possible. The median is 10, meaning the middle number is 10, right? Middle number is 10. Then the mode is 10, so that means it should be more than once. Okay, we can even write down it more than once because we are not given any other condition, so we can take it as twice, right? And mean is 10, range is 10. So mean is 10, so I can't put 10 here because then range will not be 10, right? So let's say I'm taking one number as 5 to make 10 the range is maximum number minus minimum, right? Maximum minus minimum. So if minimum is 5, the answer is supposed to be 10, so maximum can be 15. So we can have 15 minus 5 is 10. Now let's say if the mean is 10, so mean is sum of the numbers divided by 5. So 10, 20, 30 plus 20, 50 divided by 5 is 10. So yeah, that worked. So that is our answer. So you may have different answer depending upon what kind of numbers are you taking. Okay. Now number 15, describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle A onto triangle T onto A from here to here. So for that you can use tracing paper. So let me take here the tracing paper. So we are going to trace that triangle. Which triangle? We are going T onto triangle A. From T is here onto A. Let's see, if you see, this is a rotation this way, no, other side, because it's going anti-clockwise. Let's see, 1 turn, 2 turn, 3 turn and 4 turn. That means this is not the center. So this is a rotation. We understood that this is a rotation now because it is coming on the same side. So let's see, we can change the center. So let's say I'm taking this one, 1, 2, 3. It's again not coming that way. So let's see, it means this side may try 1, 2. Okay, so it can be this way, but this is not again the center. So let's me try this one. If I do, yes, I think this works. So this is a 1, 2, 3. So this is anti-clockwise. So let's see again, this is here. If I make it clockwise, so this is here. So that means this is the center. So this is a rotation clockwise 90 degrees. And center is, this one is the center, which is 4 and 3, right? Now let's see what is next. Number 16 we have here. A student measures the height h of each of 400 plants The cumulative frequency diagram shows the result. Here we have cumulative frequency, here we have height. Use the diagram to estimate for the median. So the median is like we have 400 here, 400 divided by 2, that will be 200. So we will go on where we have the 200 here. So 200 is, let me draw a line. 200 is here. If you go this way, then coming down here, which is 30. So median is 30. Now interquartile range. Interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. Q3 is 3 over 4 times, it will be 200. So 4 times 5, which will be 150th value. Sorry, I made mistake here. This is 400. So this will be 100, right? So that means 300. 300 is this is 280, between that 300 somewhere here in the middle. So 300, let's draw a line here. So coming back down here, so this is here, which is approximately, you can say this is 37. We can say Q3 is 37 minus. Now Q1. For Q1 we will have 1 over 4 times 400, which is 100th value, right? So 100, we will again draw a line where we have 100 here. 100 is in the middle somewhere here. Coming down this way, this is approximately, you can say 20, this is 18, that is 17. So 37 minus 17, it gives us 20. So that is going to be 20, interquartile range. Now the 80th percentile. 80th percentile is 80 over 100 times again 400. So that is 8 times 4, 30, 320. So at 320 is here. So coming down here this way, this is a little less than 40, that is 39. Okay. Now the number of plants with the height greater than 60. Greater than 60 is here. So we are going up there on this line, and then going this way, it is 360. So meaning this one, 400 minus 360. So this is 400 minus 360, that is 40 will be the final answer, right? This can be this is little, up there, so this can be little more than that. So 400 minus, you can say this can be 300, and it can be around like 38. Okay, because this is not exactly 360, but that's fine. It depends how you are going to draw the line there, right? Now part B, the heights are also shown in the frequency table. You can see the heights are also shown in the frequency table. Complete the histogram to show this information. So for this one, we need frequency density. Now you know that frequency density is equal to frequency over class width. Okay, so class width here is 0 to 20, that is class width, it is 20, 20 to 30 it's 10, 30 to 40 10, 40 to 80 is 40, right? And then frequency density is going to be frequency over class width. 20 over 120 over 20, it is 60. Then 80 over 10, 8. 124 over 10 is 12.4. And this divided by 76 divided by 40, it is 19 over 10, which is 1.9. okay, so that's what we are going to plot over here. So now 0 to 20 we are already, it's a 6, sorry, this is 6 because 0 will get cancelled here. Then 20 to 30, 20 to 30 we have 8 is here, so we are just going to draw this line over here. Then we have, this is done, then we have 12.4. 12.4 is 30 to 40, 12, and then this is 30, 12.2, 12.4. This is 30 to 40, the difference of 10 again here. So this is how you are going to draw over here. And then we have 40 to 80. The whole thing here is 1.9. 1.9 is somewhere here. So that's how you can complete the diagram, right? Question 17. The diagram shows cyclic quadrilateral ABCD. We have this cyclic quadrilateral ABCD here. BD and AC intersect at point X here. Okay, so angle BAD is 74 and angle BCA is 34. Find angle BDA. BDA, meaning we are looking for this angle. Now if you see, we have this here, this arc here, from here to here, AB. In this arc you have this angle 34 and the same we have here BDA. So this will also be 34. So angle BDA is going to be 34 degree because they are in same arc, right? Now angle BCD, where is it? Here, BCD, this angle. We are talking about this angle. Now as ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, then opposite angles sum will add up to 180. So we will have angle BCD plus 74, the opposite angle is 74 and it will be 180. So BCD is 180 minus 74, 180 minus 74, it is 106. So this is 106 degrees, right? Now angle ABD. Now if you see, this is a triangle, right? We have two angles here. We can easily find out the this angle. Sum of angles is 180. So 34 plus 74, 108. Then angle ABD is going to be 180 minus 108, which is 72 degrees, right? Now in the diagram, triangle ADX is similar to triangle BCX. Okay, this triangle ADX, this one and this one, they are similar. Work out XD, and these dimensions are given. We have here BC, which is 4.5. BC, this is 4.5, and AD is 9. This is 9 centimeters, and CX is 3.3. This is 3.3. So now this small triangle and this big triangle, they are similar. So we can take the values as let's say this one is XD that we are looking for. This side is X, right? So X over, we can take 9, X over 9 equals 2. Then we have this, the smaller side, 3.3. I mean the side from the other triangle, 3.3 over 4.5. So this, and here on the side other two. So this is 4.5, right? So from here X is 3.3 times 9 over 4.5. Now this decimal and decimal get cancelled because they are both one place. So this will be 33 times 9 over 45. So 9 times 45, so 33 over 5, this is 6.6. So XD is going to be 6.6 centimeters, right? Now let's see what do we have next. We have here the question from functions. Question number 18. we are given fx, gx and hx. Find f minus 3. F minus 3, we are just going to replace value of x as 3. So 3 minus 2 into negative 3. So this is 3 minus this negative becomes positive. 3 times 2 6 and this is 9, right? Now g of f3, g or f3, f3 we just got it 9, right? So now we are going to substitute here in g. So this is going to be 2 into 9 plus 3. This is 18 plus 3, it is 21. Okay. Now the next one, f inverse x. So we have fx is this. So we can write down fx equals to 3 minus 2x. Now making x the subject. Bring 2x this side. 3 minus y. So x is 3 minus y over 2. So this is f inverse x. Then we are going to replace this y by x. So this is the final answer, 3 minus x over 2, right? Now g of g, 7. So g of gx is 7. So gx is this here. So g, first I am going to replace this. Always functions you start from the right hand side. So right hand side we have gx here. So we are going to put gx as 2x plus 3 and this is equal to 7. Now again gx is this one. So 2 and again we are going to replace x by 2x plus 3. Right, and plus 3 equals to 7 because gx is 2x plus 3. So we just replaced this by 2x plus 3 and remaining all these things remains same. So expand it now to 4x, 6, 3 equals to 7, 4x equals to 7 minus 9 which is negative 2, 4x divide by 4 divide by 4. So this is minus 1 over 2. So it will be minus 1 over 2, right? Now the next one, h inverse x is 5. So hx we have here 2x. So we have h inverse x is equal to 5. Find the value of x. So we will not go here to find out. So we are just going to take it on other side. So this will become h of 5. So h of 5 is 2 raised to power 5 which is 32. So value of x is 32, right? Now question number 19. We have here question from Surds which is to simplify 32 plus 98. Okay. So 32 plus 98 we can make factorization factors of 32, 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2 times 2 and 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? Plus 98. Again we will do here 98. Then 7 times 7. So this is 2 times 7 times 7. So here this will be 4. Inside we are left with only square root 2 plus 7 is out because square root of 7 square, and then this is going to be the square root 2. Now we have, you see, root 2 is common, so we have 4 plus 7 which is 11 square root 2. So final answer is 11 square root 2. Okay. Now next question, rationalize the denominator. So we are going to rationalize. Whenever you rationalize, so let me rewrite this here. Always take opposite sign here, like square root 2 minus 1, square root 2 minus 1. So in the numerator we have square root 2 minus 1. So this is a plus b, a minus b. We have the formula of a plus b, a minus b is a squared minus b squared. So that means this is 2 square minus 1 square. So square root 2 minus 1 over 2 minus 1 which is 1. So final answer is square root 2 minus 1. Okay. Now question number 20. We have y is directly inversely proportional to 1 over square root of x when y is 8, x is 4. So y will be k times 1 over square root x. K is constant of proportionality. Now y is 8 when x is 4, right? So this is 8 and this will become 2, cross multiply here. So we got k from here is 16, right? So value of k is 16. Now we will look for value of y. Y is now, this is you see k over square root x. Now find y when x is 49. So when our x is 49, so y is 16 over square root of 49, which is 16 over 7. So this will be 2 over 7. That is the final answer. Okay. Now next question number 21 we have here. In this question, all measurements are in centimeters. We have h, x, x plus 1, h plus 2. Now we are given some conditions here. The height of the triangle h is h and the height of rectangle is h plus 2, right? The length of the base of the triangle is x and length of the rectangle is x plus 1, right? The area of the triangle is 11 centimeter and area of rectangle is 39. So we are given the areas. Write down an expression in terms the height of the rectangle. We are just talking about height of rectangle. Now height of rectangle is, if you see, is h plus 2 here, right? So h we have to, he said, write in terms of x. So if I take here area of triangle, we are given is 11 centimeter square, right? So area of triangle is half times base is x and times height, which is 11, right? From here we will have x equals to 22 over x. Okay, so we got it from here. Now area of rectangle we are given 39 centimeter square. So area of rectangle is length times width. Length times width meaning x plus 1 into h plus 2, and this is equal to we are just taking here not area, we are just taking here height. So height here is height of rectangle is h plus 2, and now h is 22 over x. So this will be 22 over x plus 2. So that is going to be our final answer, 22 over x plus 2, right? Now show that 2x squared minus 15x plus 22 is equal to 0. Now we can take the area of the rectangle. Area of rectangle is length times width, and we are given this as 39. So area of rectangle is 39 centimeter square. So area is x plus 1 and h plus 2, right? And we have the value of h here. So x plus 1 and h is here, height is 22 over x plus 22 over x plus 2, and then we have here so we can directly, h we are taking h plus 2, already we have the value of h plus 2 here, 22 over h is 22 over x plus 2 equals to 39. Now just expanding the bracket, when you expand this will become 22 because x will get cancelled here, then plus 2x, then plus 22 over x plus 2 equals to 39, right? So now let's just simplify this, multiplying throughout the equation by x. So when you multiply by x here, the whole thing, this is going to become 22x plus 4x squared, plus it will become 22 plus 2x equals to 39x, right? So now we have 4x squared, 22 plus combining the like terms. So this is going to be 44x plus 22 minus 39x, bringing it on left hand side. So now we have here 4x squared and then 44 minus 39. So this is, sorry, I made mistake. 22 plus 2, it is 24, not 44, 24. So we are going to subtract from here 39 minus 24, 39 minus 24, which is 15, right? So we have here minus 15x plus 22 equals to 0, right? So that's what we need to prove, but I can see there is 2 here, but we are getting 4. Let me see where I have made the mistake. Yeah, this one is 2, sorry, this 4 came from nowhere. This is 2x squared, so this is 2x squared. So hence it is proved. As you can see, that's the equation that we need to prove. Now next, by factorizing and solving this, find 2 possible heights of the triangle. So we can factorize this easily. Minus 15x plus 22 equals to 0. So we are looking for a number that when you add gives you negative 15, and when you multiply we get here 44. So 11 and 4 can be the best example. 11 and 4. So both are here, this should be positive. So we are going to take both numbers as negative. So that's how it will give 11 and 4, 15. 11 times 4 is 14, making this negative and negative positive. So 2x squared minus 4x minus 11x plus 22 equals to 0. So 2x common from here, x minus 2, then 11, x minus 2 equals to 0. So x minus 2 and 2x minus 11 equals to 0. So from here x is equal to 2 and 2x is 11 and x is 11 over 2, right? So that's the final answer for this value of heights. Okay, now let's see what do we have next. So before we start the next question, I would request you guys, if you are getting any benefit from these videos, kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for your support. It motivates to make more videos, and let me know in the comment section about your feedback and any suggestions for the improvement. So now question number 22, we have this triangle here. Find exact value of x, right? So exact value. Now remember, you don't have calculator here. We are not going to use calculator. So here we have this side is x here, and this is adjacent, and this one is, we are looking for this value, and this is hypotenuse, right? So we can use cut over. We can use adjacent and hypotenuse. Adjacent and hypotenuse is here cosine. So cos 30 equals to adjacent. Adjacent is 8 over x is hypotenuse, which is x, right? So now cos 30. So now cos 30 value is square root 3 over 2. Okay, so I'm using this square root 3 over 2 equals to 8 over x. So from here x is equal to cross multiply 8 times 2 over square root 2. Okay, so that gives us the value of 16 over square root 3. So that is the final answer. So how to find out these values without using the calculator? There will be, I'm going to make another video. I'll just put link in the description to find out the values of all the angles without calculator. Please check out that. Now number 23, write as a single fraction this one here. So we have 3 over x minus 4 over x plus 3. So LCM is x minus 4 and x plus 3, right? So now this is going to be multiplied by this 3 into x plus 3 minus 4 into x minus 4. Now expand the brackets. So this is 3x plus 9 minus 4x plus 16 over x minus 4 and x plus 3. Okay, now combine the like terms. So 16 plus 9, it is 25, minus 4 minus 3, it's x, only 1 because 4 is greater than 3 and it has negative sign, so it will remain the negative sign, and x minus 4 and x plus 3. So that is the answer. Remember to write all your answer in the space provided. So this is 3 marks question. Now next we have question number 24. Write x squared minus 4x plus 7 in the form of x minus a plus b. Now to write down this, always you have to you can just write it down as let me just give you the easy one. So here you see the coefficient of x is 4, right? So we plus and minus always coefficient of x and the square half of the coefficient. So coefficient of x is here 4, so we are going to add and subtract, that will come here. So half of this, it is actually plus minus 2 square, that is 4. So squared, then minus 2 squared plus 7, right? So this one is x minus 2 whole square, this is negative 4 plus 7, x minus 2 whole squared plus 3. So that's how we can write down this as it is. Here x minus 2 square plus 3. Now how to write this? This is called completed the square form. So I will make another, there will be another video for how to make completed the square form of this expression, this quadratic. Okay, check out that one. Write down the coordinates of the turning point of this one. We have to find out the turning point, always find out the gradient dy over dx. This will be 2x minus 4. Okay, so 2x minus 4, that is the gradient. Okay, so from here gradient should be 0 for the turning point. So that means 2x minus 4 is 0. So 2x is 4 and x will be 2. So value of x is 2. When x is 2, what is y? Y is this one here. So y is going to be 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus 7. This is 4 minus 8 plus 7. 11 minus 8, it is 3. Okay. Now number 25, we have two shapes here. You can see these hard shapes are given here. The two shapes are mathematical similar. The area of the larger shape is 36 here and area of the smaller shape is 25. The height of the larger shape is 9 and height of the smaller shape is x. Find the value of x. Now when the triangles are similar, we can have the ratios. The scale factor is going to be the square. Length scale factor is L1 square over L2 square. Area of bigger one 36 over area of smaller one 25. Bigger length 9 square, smaller length x square. Now just cross multiply. So x times 36 equals to 9 squared times 25. So x square is 9 squared times 25 over 36, and then we have the square root of this. We are going to have this 9 square is 81, 81 square is 9, square root is 9, 25 square root is 25, 36 is 6. So then you can simplify 3 times 3, 3 times 2, 15 over 2. will be our final answer. That may be, you can write 7.5 or 27 over 27 over 7 1 over 2. Now question number 26, I think, yeah, this is the last question of this paper. So here we have the graph. Fx is x into x plus 1 plus 2 and x minus 3. On the diagram, sketch the graph of this for values -3 to 4. Show the values of intersection with the axis. Now we need to know the values of intersection. So for x equals to 0, so this actually is y equals to x into x plus 2 and x minus 3. So if y is 0 here, so that means we will have this equation that gives us the value of x as 0, x as minus 2 and x as 3. Okay, so that means this is the intersecting point, x 0, x -2, let's say this is -1, -2, and this is 1 2 3 and 4. So x x3, x -2. So these are the turning point. As you can see, this is the cubic equation. So our graph is going to be like this. Okay, now expand and simplify. So expand and simplify, we are just going to expand this bracket. So I will keep x as it is. First I am expanding this one here. So this will be x squared minus 3x plus 2x minus 6, right? So x, this is x squared, and this is minus x minus 6. Now expand it, x cubed minus x squared minus 6x. So x cubed minus x squared minus 6x, right? Now A is the point 1 -6. The tangent of the graph y equals to fx meets the y-axis at B. Find the coordinates of point B. So now the tangent meets at point A. So first of all we will find out the tangent, that means dy over dx, which we have. Okay, so we are going to, this is y in the expanded form, so it will be 3x squared minus 2x minus 6, right? So this is the gradient. So gradient at 1 and 6. So that means we are taking x from here, x is 1. So we are going to put x here. So 1 squared, 2 times 1 minus 6, 3 minus 2 minus 6, this is 3 minus 8, that is -5. So we have gradient is -5. Now we are talking about point A and B, right? So we have 2 points now. A is 1 and minus 6, and B is at y-axis. At y-axis, x is 0. Let's say what is the y. So now this gradient, and we can have an